very good morning to everyone. My name is Krishnadev Pathak. I am reading in class 10A. Today, I would show you how to solve the last 3 steps of a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, that too blindfoldedly. So let's begin. You guys can see that I am closing my eyes, right? At first, we will scramble the third layer of the Rubik's Cube. We can see that the third layer is scrambled. Now we have headlights on all the 4 sides of the Rubik's Cube. We can see that one layer is solved, right? Now the next step will lead to the completion of the cube. Yes, I guess it's done. Yeah, it's done. That's it. Thank you for today.